Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
इस वक्त एक बड़ी खबर आ रही है मणिपुर से। यहाँ पर सेना के काफिले पर उग्रवादियों का हमला हुआ है।
Army colonel, his wife and son, along with 4 soldiers, have been killed in an ambush allegedly by terrorists near the border with Myanmar in Manipur.
Carried out by members of Manipur-based group People's Liberation Army and MNPF. 4 injured army personnel have been airlifted to Nagpur.
We currently reached the spot in Manipur's Churachandpur district where a tragic incident took place on Saturday which claimed the lives of 7 people, including the 46th Assam Rifle commanding officer Viplab Tripathi, his 8-year-old son, wife and the lives of 4 other soldiers. Now, these 7 people and their vehicles were just passing through on this road, which is close to a second village in this district, when they were ambushed by several militants and they were killed on this very spot. The print is the first to have reached here. It took us about 7 hours traveling through these very bad roads, given the weather especially, and right now I'm at the spot where this tragic event had happened on Saturday morning.
Actually, the time 10:15 to between 10:15 something to 11:30 something.
So where were you at that moment?
At the moment I'm at the workplace, no. I heard only the gun sound and as well as the bomb, no. But nothing. I don't know what about the person or.
How was the bomb very loud?
Yeah, it's 2 or 3 times, no. It's somehow very loud.
Okay. Back to back? One after. Okay. And this gun sound you heard for a long time?
25 minutes only.
25 minutes?
No.
Following this incident, the PLA, which is the People Liberation Army, as well as the Manipur Naga People Front, had claimed responsibility, even pushing out a statement with a picture of 30 of their cadres holding Kalashnikovs in their hands, who are presumed to have been the ones involved in the killings. Now, they had presumably entered and come to this spot from the Myanmar border, which is a mere 4 to 5 kilometers away from this very spot. The bodies of the 7 people were sent for a post-mortem to the Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences on Sunday, following which a wreath-laying ceremony happened at the Imphal airport, which was attended by the Chief Minister of the state, Biren Singh. Biren Singh, in his statement to the press, said that the Ministry of Home Affairs is doing everything it can to ensure that the area is secured and also that a fencing is being laid across between the India-Myanmar border. And according to the information from the Assam Rifles, a combing operation is currently ongoing in this area. With camera person Praveen Jain, this is Angna Chakrabarti reporting for The Print.